red color, blue color, green color, black color, yellow color, and white color. Kids now draw alphabets and numbers. Kids first draw A. A for apple and use red color. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. Kids again use red color and draw D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. Kids again use red color and draw G. G for God. Kids now draw H. H for helicopter and use blue color. Blue color. I. I for ice cream. J. J for joker. Kids again use blue color and draw K. K for king. L. L for lion. Kids again use blue color and draw M. M for moon. N. N for nose. Kids now draw numbers and first draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use green color. O N E 1 2 T W 2. Kids again use green color and draw 3. T H R W 3 4 F O U R 4. Kids again use green color and draw 5. F I V E 5 6 S I X 6 7 S E V E N 7 8 E I G H T 8. Kids now draw 9. The numbers of 9 and use black color. N I N E 9 10 T E N 10 11. The numbers of 11 12. The numbers of 12. Kids again use black color and draw 13. The numbers of 13 14. The numbers of 14 15. The last numbers of 15. Black color, blue color, yellow color, red color, and green color. Kids now draw alphabets and first they draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane and use black color. B. B for ball, B for bus. C. C for car, C for cat. Kids again use black color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. E. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids again use black color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. G. G for goat, G for grapes. Kids now draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter and use blue color. Blue color. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids again use blue color and draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. K. K for kite, K for king. L. L for lion, L for lemon. Kids again use blue color and draw M. M for moon, M for mango. N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids neither O. O for orange, O for octopus. The alphabets of O. And here is yellow color. Yellow color. P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Q. Q for queen, Q for quill. Kids again use yellow color and draw R. R for rose, R for rice. S. S for sun, S for snake. T. T for teacher, T for tiger. It's neither U. U for umbrella, U for uncle. The alphabets of U. It's neither V. V for van, V for vanilla. The alphabets of V. And U is red color. Red color. Kids again use red color and draw W. W for wallet, W for watch. Kids neither X. X for X-ray, X for telephone. Kids neither Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. And Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Blue color, yellow color, red color, black color, and green color. Kids neither numbers, and first letter 1, and here is blue color. O and E1, 2, T, W2, 3, T, H, R-E-E-3. Kids again use blue color and draw 4. F, O-U-R 4, 5. F, I-V-E 5. It's neither 6. The numbers of 6, and here is yellow color. Yellow color. S, I-X 6, 7. S, E, V-E and 7. Kids again use yellow color and draw 8. E, I, G-H-T 8. 9. N, I-N-E 9. 10. T, E and 10. It's neither 11. The numbers of 11, and here is red color. Red color. 12. The numbers of 12. 13. The numbers of 13. 14. The numbers of 14. Kids again use red color and draw 15. The numbers of 15. Kids neither 16. The numbers of 16. And here is black color. Black color. 17. the numbers of 17, 18, the numbers of 18, 19, the numbers of 19, 20, the last numbers of 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.